How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem in Windows 10 or 11. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem in Windows 10 or 11, then what you need to do is just open up your settings. Now once you open up your settings, you just need to simply go with the left side and search for troubleshoot settings. And here you need to go with other troubleshooters. Now you just need to simply scroll down and find the Wi-Fi troubleshooter, or you just need to simply go with network troubleshooter, which is right here, network and internet. You need to go with run, which is on the right side, and you need to run the troubleshoot for network and internet. And once you've run the troubleshooter, it will resolve all of your problems. And once the troubleshooting has completed, you can close the troubleshooter and you can check if your problems still persist. Now just go with the search again, and here you need to search for network and internet. And under your network and internet, just simply go with Wi-Fi settings, which is right here. So you can simply go with network and internet at first, and you can go with advanced network settings. And under your advanced network settings, you will have the Wi-Fi, and you can go with network reset, and you can reset your network. Once you reset your network, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you just need to simply go and restart your device, or just go and turn off your Wi-Fi and again turn it on, and your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can fix Wi-Fi icon not showing problem in your Windows 10 or 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.